The KleenAire is a charcoal-filtered air purification system. Clean air is a major concern for home and business owners alike. Our KleenAire Dual Filtered Air Purification System makes it easier to help promote a healthier breathing environment for everyone in any space. Our unique units are designed to be easily installed, maintained, and provide cost-effective benefits for our customers. By removing unpleasant and perhaps unhealthy contaminants from the environment, your family and/or employees can rest assured that the air they breathe is cleaner and safer. Cleaner facility and healthier work environment. The KleenAire Air Purification System has been designed to accommodate a number of standard filter element combinations. By taking advantage of the absorbent qualities of activated charcoal, the KleenAire unit can be used for not only dust control, but for removal of annoying and unhealthy odors and contaminants. Less complaints from employees and/or patients about the quality of air in the workplace. Owners have peace of mind knowing they are providing a healthier working environment for their employees or patients because it is free of harmful contaminants. The pre-filter. The AeroPleat filter will remove many of the contaminants associated with today's indoor air quality concerns. Designed with 12 pleats per linear foot in radial pleat design, 100% synthetic blend media provides medium-grade ASHRAE performance and increased dust holding capacity. Welded wire media grid is treated for corrosion resistance and prevents media oscillations or pull-away. High wet-strength beverage board frame creates a rigid and durable filter pack. Charcoal filters. The granular filter is fabricated of a rigid support structure and charged with 100% premium-grade coconut shell activated carbon. The activated carbon absorbs odors and irritants while maintaining a low resistance to airflow. The actual life of the filter is determined by the dust and vapor contaminant condition of each application. The 1-inch thick metal frame of the filter is designed to withstand high moisture environments. This filter uses an electro-galvanized metal frame for added stability, often required in damp and humid conditions. Centrifugal blower. There were no compromises in the selection process of the blower units for the KleenAire Air Filtration System. Broad impellers are used for the blowers with dual inlets. Air is drawn in via 2 inlet rings and guided through the impeller and out the air exhaust. This results in minimal noise generation at high airflow. Combining the power of the centrifugal blower with the unique design of our dual filtration system, air is thrust through the filters, cleansing it and exhausting cleaner, healthier air. Each blower is wired with 2 airflow levels and uses a max of 4.04 amps. Features and benefits. Why spend top dollar for an air filtration system that requires special installation? The KleenAire Dual Filtered Air Purification System has been designed to be easily installed, maintained, and cost-effective. Easy installation. Wall installation takes only minutes with easy-to-read instructions and mounting accessories. No disruption or inconvenience to employees or patients due to installation. Designed to recirculate the air continuously, eliminating the need for costly ductwork for outside venting. Save on heating and cooling bills since the air is recirculated continuously and not vented outside. Standard power 110-volt wall plug. No need for contracting costly electricians to install special electrical outlets. Purifies the air you breathe for just pennies a day. Applications. The KleenAire Dual Filtered Air Purification System is perfect for anyone looking for an affordable alternative to purify the air in their environment, whether it is residential, commercial, or manufacturing. Listed below are just a few suggested industries that would benefit from having a KleenAire air purification system.